In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make $1,000 a day with Digistore24 and 2 incredibly powerful free traffic methods. Inside this video, I'm going to tell you what Digistore24 is, how to sign up for a free account, how to choose a good product to promote, and then 2 incredibly powerful free strategies you can use even if you're a beginner to start to get traffic to your affiliate links. What's going on, Garrett here. Now, before I dive into exactly what Digistore24 is, I just want to share, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step training videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell icon right now so you're always notified of my latest videos. But without further ado, let me start right now. What is Digistore24? Digistore24 is an affiliate marketplace that has 44 different niches, okay, or categories of product you can promote. It has 8,000 plus products on the marketplace and up to 70% commission. So they have a lot of variety and you can earn money with the Digistore24 website. Okay, now how do you start, right? You can just click this button, or there's going to be a button at the top right that says register now. Once you click that button, you're going to get taken to the sign up page. Okay, now you can go ahead and sign up as an affiliate right here. You want to choose a username. Okay, so the username is going to be how are you going to log in and, you know, check your stats and things like that. And that will actually create the affiliate link. Okay, so if I did the username as, let's say, Moneybags, right? See how it would put that username inside of the affiliate link. Okay, so now I can promote products and that will be coded to me. I want to put my email, my password, time zone. Okay, and you just want to continue filling this out. You want to agree to the terms and then register for free. Now, once you're inside of your account, we want to actually go up to the top and go to marketplace. Okay, so when you click that, all the different categories or niches are going to be on the left. Okay, you can see they have animals and pets, betting systems. They have a lot of different niches. So maybe in the past you've had trouble finding products in a specific niche. This website, chances are they may have products in that specific niche to promote. Okay, so for the sake of this video though, I'm going to do fitness and health. Okay, so once you find a category you like, you just click on that category. And now we want to pay attention right here. Okay, so this is going to have the name of the product. And over here is going to tell us what is the estimated amount of earnings, okay, based on the payout plan of that specific product. So you can see right here, okay, this specific product, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, pays us 85% commission. Okay, so our typical earnings on average would be $23.79. Now, I like to do at least around $25, because if you're spending time, even though the free strategies I'm going to share with you in a second are incredibly easy, even if you're spending, 10 minutes a day, you'd rather spend 10 minutes and make $25 than only $5. Okay, so you want to look for a good one. This could potentially be good, but then we want to look at another piece of information, and it's the cancellation rate. Okay, so a high cancellation rate, anything above 9 to 11%, okay, is going to be somewhat high. And you want to typically not choose that right away, okay? Because what that means is a lot of people bought the product and once they got inside, they weren't satisfied and they decided to refund, okay? Because you want to lower your refunds when you refer people to buy products, and you want to promote products that are valuable, okay? So maybe we would keep looking. Okay, so this has $26 per earning, okay? It has a 15%. So far, which of those products do you think would be better based on our criteria? Okay, right. If you said the first one, okay, you'd be better. You'd be right, because 13% is lower than the 15%. Okay, but once we find a product, let's assume this qualified. I can click promote now, and this is my affiliate link. Okay, so what I would do is I would copy this to a notepad, because we're going to use this in a second when we go to actually start deploying these incredibly easy free strategies. What is the very first free traffic method now that we found a good product on Digistore24 that we can get sales as soon as possible? Well, one of them is Quora. Okay, now I've done in-depth videos on my channel. I may put a card on the video, or as you find yourself eagerly going through my other videos after this one, you can find yourself growing eager to discover even more strategies. Now with Quora, okay, once you create a free account, what Quora is, it's question and answers. Okay, so people go on there, they ask questions. And if you answer, okay, and you share value, and then you lead them to your affiliate product, chances are, because you didn't just spam your link, because you didn't just go on there and not share anything valuable to people, because think about it, why would someone click a random link on the internet without first knowing, trusting, or liking the person or account that shared it, right? So we want to get them to like us by sharing some value, and then we lead to our affiliate link, okay? So we don't want to just answer random questions. You want to answer questions that are related to the niche that you actually found a product in. So for me, I could type in health and fitness, okay? And I can search this, and this is going to be some of the latest questions, okay? This is a year, but you can actually filter, you know, let's say past month, okay? These are questions that real people have asked. So what is your current hardest challenge with health and fitness, okay? And then people comment. So if we find a question though, that the question has to do directly with our product. So for example, this product here, okay, this teaches, you know, the keto, okay, this is a keto meal plan. So what I could do is I could get even more specific, and I can go keto, okay? You want to drill down as specific as possible. And it says, what is keto strong? What are keto strong clothes? What can you drink for breakfast on keto? Okay, this is perfect because again, this product teaches people keto meals. So we can open this question up, okay? Now pay close attention, and as you find yourself continuing to do so, you're gonna be blown away at how powerful this actually is, okay? So you wanna go to answer, and what we wanna do is we don't wanna just put our link, we wanna share a little bit of information. Now what you can actually do, okay, if you have a lot of other answers, I can just copy this, okay? And I can literally just do this as my answer, okay? So let me go here. Okay, that's a more in-depth. And you can just curate other people's answers, okay? Now, you don't want to just put your affiliate link at the bottom here because Quora doesn't like affiliate links. What you can do is you can go to a free site called blogger.com, and it allows you to create articles very easily, okay? So what you can do, if I go to post and I go up here to new post, this is going to create an article. And what I can do is I can type in here, discover the best keto plan, okay? Whatever my product has to do with. And then I can say, if you want to discover the best keto plan, click here now. And then we can just highlight this, okay? We can put our affiliate link that we saved here. And then I can just publish this, okay? And then now what I would do is I would take this, copy the link, and I would go back to Quora. Okay, so then I would just say, if you want to learn more info about the keto diet, click here now, okay? And then I would link not to the affiliate product, okay? By going here, I would link to my blog article, okay? And then I would just post it. So now you can see that it's a real answer, and then they click there, it goes to my article, and then they click here and it goes to my affiliate link. Very simple, free strategy. Now the last strategy I want to share with you is if we go to Twitter, okay? What you can do is you can go to search Twitter at the top, and we want to type a few words that have to do with our niche. Could be keto. Then we want to go to people, okay? And we want to look at all these different people. Now these people talk about keto or whatever your product has to do with, right? So what I would do is I would open up one of these accounts, make sure it has some followers, okay? Then I would go to their followers and I would follow these people, okay? Now you don't want to do too many. Anywhere from 30 to 40 a day should be pretty safe. And what we want to do is we want to go back to our profile, okay? Because as we follow people, they're going to follow us back, okay? It's the reciprocation principle. Now, as they follow us back, what we want to do is we want to pin our affiliate link at the very top of Twitter, okay? Now, how do we do that? All you have to do is make a new post, okay? If you want to discover the best keto diet, go here. We make a post, okay? Now, you could either put your blogger article, or Twitter is pretty okay with affiliate links, so I can literally just put that in there. Okay, and then I could tweet. Now, once I tweet, what will happen is you can go to one of these, you can click these three little dots, and I can hit pin to profile, and that will actually pin your post to the top. So as people follow you, this is going to be the first thing they see, and because it's relevant to what they're interested in anyway, they're going to click this, and they're going to start to go to your affiliate link and buy. Okay, so I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value. You now understand how you can literally make up to $1,000 a day with Digistore24. If you don't want to miss out on my latest videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest trainings. And last but not least, Digistore is good, but it's definitely not my #1 recommended affiliate program and system to start to make daily commissions even while you're sleeping. If you want to discover an incredibly free, mind-blowing video that will break down my #1 system that will allow you to achieve the type of income, the type of results and lifestyle you truly deserve in as little time and effort as possible, okay? So if you're interested, click the link below. Check that out while it's still available. If you get there and it's no longer available, I apologize beforehand, but you'll be able to see how I'm able to generate income like this on a daily basis, okay? So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will catch you on my next video.